Erico Carpentry Shop is a renowned woodworking establishment located in a suburb of Accra, Ghana. The shop is particularly famous for crafting fantasy coffins, known locally as abebuu adekai, which are designed to reflect the personality, profession, or passions of the deceased. These coffins are often shaped like everyday objects, animals, or symbols significant to the individual's life, such as fish for fishermen or airplanes for pilots. The workshop is led by master carpenter Eric Kpakpo Adotey, who continues the tradition of creating these unique coffins that serve both as functional burial items and as pieces of art. Visitors to Erico Carpentry Shop can observe skilled artisans at work, transforming raw wood into intricate designs that celebrate Ghanaian culture and craftsmanship. For those using public transportation, several trotro, shared minibus routes pass near the shop. Notably, bus lines 425, 428, and 469 stop close to the location. The nearest bus stop is Police Station La, approximately a 9-minute walk from the shop. Erico Carpentry Shop offers a unique glimpse into a vibrant aspect of Ghanaian cultural heritage, making it a worthwhile visit for those interested in art, craftsmanship, and local traditions.